Topic: Geopolitics examines how political systems, global power structures, and international relationships influence investment environments and private market opportunities. Geopolitical developments increasingly affect economic growth, capital flows, trade relationships, supply chains, regulatory policies, and market stability. For alternative investors, geopolitical analysis is especially important because private market investments often involve long holding periods, illiquidity, and direct exposure to regional political conditions. The topic emphasizes that geopolitical factors can create both investment risks and strategic opportunities across private equity, infrastructure, real assets, and venture capital markets. Investors must therefore integrate geopolitical analysis into portfolio construction, risk management, and due diligence processes to better understand how political environments influence long-term investment performance and operational outcomes. The topic introduces several geopolitical systems and explains how different political structures shape economic and investment conditions. Global power structures may be categorized as unipolar, bipolar, or multipolar systems, depending on how power is distributed among nations. Political ideologies, such as laissez-faire capitalism, dirigisme, populism, and state interventionism, also influence market behavior and regulatory environments. Governments may encourage free markets, impose economic controls, or pursue strategic industrial policies that directly affect investment opportunities. The topic highlights that geopolitical systems are dynamic and evolve in response to economic shifts, technological innovation, demographic changes, and international competition. Understanding these political and institutional structures helps investors evaluate country-specific risks, regulatory uncertainty, and the broader macroeconomic environment affecting private market investments. A major focus of the topic is the development of a geopolitical framework for analyzing private markets. Unlike public market investors, who can rapidly adjust positions, private market investors often commit capital for extended periods and therefore face greater exposure to political and regulatory changes over time. The framework encourages investors to evaluate factors such as governance quality, legal systems, political stability, economic policy, social dynamics, and international relationships before making long-term commitments. Geopolitical analysis also includes evaluating environmental enablers such as institutional effectiveness, communication systems, infrastructure, and innovation capacity. By incorporating geopolitical considerations into investment analysis, investors can better identify regions and industries that may benefit from favorable policy environments, economic reforms, or strategic global trends. The topic further explores the concept of geopolitical beta for private markets. Geopolitical beta refers to the degree to which private market investments are exposed to geopolitical risks and opportunities. Some investments may be highly sensitive to changes in trade policy, sanctions, taxation, regulation, or political instability, while others may benefit from government support, strategic national priorities, or economic development initiatives. Geopolitical beta varies across sectors, industries, and regions. Infrastructure projects, natural resources, and technology investments often carry significant geopolitical exposure because they intersect with national security, energy policy, and international competition. Investors must therefore assess how geopolitical developments could affect valuations, operational performance, financing conditions, and exit opportunities throughout the investment lifecycle. The topic introduces a practical 3x3 geopolitical framework designed to help investors organize and evaluate geopolitical considerations systematically. This framework combines different dimensions of political and economic analysis to assess investment environments and strategic positioning. Investors analyze interactions between global political structures, domestic policy conditions, and industry-specific factors to understand how geopolitical forces may influence private market investments. The framework encourages structured thinking around uncertainty, regulatory evolution, economic competitiveness, and strategic national interests. By applying a multidimensional approach, investors can improve decision-making, identify emerging risks earlier, and better evaluate the long-term sustainability of investment opportunities across diverse geopolitical environments and changing global economic conditions. The topic concludes that geopolitical analysis has become an essential component of private market investing and long-term portfolio management. Increasing globalization, technological competition, trade disputes, demographic changes, and shifting political alliances continue to reshape the global investment landscape. Private market investors must therefore move beyond purely financial analysis and incorporate geopolitical understanding into strategic planning and risk management processes. Effective geopolitical analysis helps investors anticipate regulatory changes, manage uncertainty, and identify opportunities created by political and economic transformation. The topic emphasizes that successful long-term investing requires adaptability, disciplined analysis, and a deep understanding of how geopolitical systems influence markets, industries, and economic development. Ultimately, geopolitical awareness strengthens investment resilience and supports more informed capital allocation decisions.